morning class. So today we are going to discuss about the chapter Indian Defense. Indian Defense, we know that while we are very safe in our home, some people are there who are very busy or try to save us from our enemies. Day night they are just working hard there, and we are very safe, we are very protective in our home. So for them we have some things is that we should know about them. Who are those people who are actually keeping us safe from our enemies? So Indian Defense is that chapter where we come to know about them little bit. Okay, so here some post, some grades of that defense. We know that defense is divided into three: that Indian Army, Air Force, and Navy. These are the three parts, and belong to these three parts. The people who are actually keeping us safe, they are having different ranks on that particular thing. So we'll just come to know about them. Okay, like the first one you see is the supreme commander of the armed force of our country. Who is that? The president. That commander name is the president. The first one we are writing president. The president is the supreme commander of the armed forces of our country. Second, the Indian Naval Academy is situated in Kochi. The Indian Naval Academy is situated in Kochi. It's a very well-known place. Okay. Number 3, arms, tanks, ammunition of the defense forces are manufactured in ordnance factories. Ordnance factories where these all things are actually manufactured. Okay, after that, Dash is an anti-ship cruise missile. This is actually is a joint work of Russia and India. What is the name of that? It is BrahMos. The name is BrahMos. It's a joint work of Russia and India. Okay. There are 3 wings of defense forces. Before only I said what are those? The Army, the Navy, and the Air Force. 2 already have written. Another one I am writing Air Force. Okay, the Navy, the Army, and the Air Force. Then Air Force Academy is situated in Hyderabad. The first one we come to know, Naval Academy is situated in Kochi. Air Force Academy is situated in Hyderabad. Okay, it is in Hyderabad. Keep it in mind. That is Kochi, that is Naval Academy, and this is which academy? That is Air Force Academy, which is situated in Hyderabad. Naval Training Center INS Mandovi is in Goa. It is in Goa. Number 8, National Defense Academy. Now see, National Defense Academy is in Khadagvarsle. The name is little bit difficult to pronounce. That is Khadagvarsla. Okay. Number 9, the headquarters of all 3 forces are actually located in New Delhi. All the headquarters, the 3 wings of the defense, we have discussed Navy, Army, and the Air Force. So these 3 wings are the headquarter is actually located in New Delhi. So we are writing that one. It is in New Delhi. Number 10, Indian Military Academy is situated in Dehradun. It is in Dehradun. Okay, so Indian Army, the Army Academy is situated in military, that is situated in Dehradun. Air Force, that is situated in we have discussed, that is Hyderabad, and the Navy Academy, Naval Academy is actually situated in Kochi. So these are the 3 wings of the defense, Indian defense, on which we are actually best, and our countries are rest in peace because of them. They are actually saving us and keep us protective like that. So just go through the chapter. This another of this 10 question, one more question you will prepare in the fact corner. You see the highest rank of all. In army, the highest rank is general, air force, air chief marshal, and in navy it is admiral. Okay, so these are the three things. Just go through the chapter, it will be easy for you to learn. Okay, thank you class.